morning, dears. We have completed question number 2 yesterday from exercise 5.1. Look at question number 3, exercise 5.1. You can see it is given 13a minus 11b is equal to 70 and 11a minus 13b is equal to 74. Now what can you see? This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. When you have like this common numbers 13a, 13b, 11b, 11a, in this case we are not going to make it equal. What we are going to do? Adding 1 and 2. So what do we get? 13a minus 11b is equal to 70 and 11a minus 13b is equal to 74. When we add, I am getting 24a minus 24b is equal to 144. Taking 24 common, a minus b is equal to 144 or a minus b is equal to 144 by 24 or a minus b is equal to 6. This is the equation number 3 we got. Is it? Now, if you want to use substitution, you can find and put here, and if you want to use elimination, you can make it equal and put. So just what I am doing, I am eliminating it. So I can write it 11a minus 11b is equal to 66. Equation number 4, how did we get? We got 3 into 11. Now from this, 13a minus 11b is equal to 70 and I am subtracting it. So the sign will get changed. This is equation number 1. Subtracting 1 from 4 to eliminate it. Now this 11b is cancelled. I am left with minus 2a is equal to minus 4 or a is equal to 2. Now placing the value of a in number 3. So a minus b was 6. So 2 minus b is 6 or minus b is 6 minus 2 or b is minus 4. So the finally answer we have got a is equal to 2 and b is equal to minus 4. So you can see what I have done. I have added, first of all I have added this one to get a simpler equation. Then further that equation is made equal while multiplying with 11. Then I have eliminated. Instead of elimination, you can use substitution. It is up to you. Is it? You don't need to worry how to do it. See, if you get LCM of 11 and 13, it's okay. It's not wrong. But that will be quite longer. So to make it short, we use this. We add it up and we get a simple equation. And then further we solve it according to the need. Is it? So this is question number 3. In this way you have to do it. Okay. Today you just leave it up to here. Only question number 3. Next day we'll be doing question number 4. Okay. So keep practicing. Complete question number 3. If I just you see the 3 is 4. This is 3 is 1 it was. 3 is 4. Question number 3, 4, 3D. The question is 103a plus 51b is equal to 670 and 97a plus 49b is equal to 583. 1, 2. What do we get? 200a plus 100b is equal to 7, 3, 10, 8 and 9 times 1200. Adding 1 and 2. Now from this 2 I can take 100 common. I am left with 2a plus b is equal to 1200, or 2a plus b is equal to 12. This is equation number 3 we got. Now according to our choice we can change it. To eliminate this b, I have to multiply this one with 51. So 51 2s are 102a plus 51b, and 12 ones are 12, 12 5s are 60, and 1 6, 61. This is equation number 4. How did we get? 3 into 51. Now 103a plus 51b is equal to 617. This is equation number 1. Subtracting. This is eliminated. Minus a is equal to minus 5. Subtracted 1 from 4, or a is equal to 5. Placing a in 3. 2 into 5 plus b is equal to 12, or b is equal to 12 minus 10, 2. So within a minute we got the value of a and b. And if you do not use this formula, if you do not add, and you will make it 51 and 49 similar. So the first you have to multiply with 51 and 49. Second equation you have to multiply with 49. So dear 51. So these are the things we use. Common things. We just add and we got a simpler equation. Then further we solve according to our need. Is it clear? Hope you have understood it. Now you can finish question number 3. There is no problem. So tomorrow we will be solving question number 4. Today you finish up to question number 3. Already 2 sums I have done. What to finish? Another 2 sums you have to finish. Is it? So those 2 sums you finish. Then tomorrow we will be solving question number 4 and all. Okay. Till then keep practicing. Thank you.